Hey guys, LechK here, in the middle of working on my 2007 Dodge Charger, and I was about to change the cabin air filter, which looks like this. You want to change these about every 12 months. They recommend for your vehicles. The cabin filters are located on different locations, can be like under your passenger side, under the glove compartment, usually in some cars, but in the Dodge and Chrysler vehicles, most of them at least, like the Chrysler 300, the Dodge Charger series, it's located right here under these tabs. So a little surprise for you guys. Once you open this up, there's supposed to be a sleeve to pop our new filter in. Guess what? There is no sleeve. So if you search for this video trying to figure out if you're going crazy, you're not. Dodge and Chrysler basically cheaped out on some models, and they did not install the holder for the filter. As you can see, our air inlet is here. That's all correct. You see any debris in there, clean it out, because that's as far as you're going with this. There is no actual bracket to hold our filter in place, so if you throw it in, it's just going to lay loose. They do sell the brackets. I've seen them on eBay. I'll put a link below. They are over $150 at this point for used. So is it worth your time and hours to install this? If you feel like it, go for it. If I could find one for $50, maybe I would. But that's the situation. I'm going to put a link below to any ones I find. I'm also going to list all the car makes that I know of related to Dodge and Chrysler, models that don't have this feature. So don't waste your money. I spent $12 on a filter that now I cannot use. It will cost me more to return it. So just close this back up and forget about fresh air in your car. Guys, I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, check out my channel for other cool how-to videos. Thank you.